Hey guys, today we're going to cover something simple and practical. Stick around and you'll know exactly how to do it. Let's get started. Today I'm going to show you the Aironox ironing device in 2025. Does it really work or is it overrated? Aironox is a balloon-like gadget that inflates warm air to automatically iron and dry your clothes. It sounds convenient, just pop your damp shirt over it, and it smooths out wrinkles while you sip your coffee. Plenty of customers on Trustpilot swear it's a time saver and super easy to use. But here's the catch. There are concerns about the website's aggressive flash sale style and overly polished reviews, which feel too good to be true. Plus, independent ratings are mixed. Some users love the convenience. Others worry about the quality and return policy. The bottom line, Aironox might be a cool gadget if you hate ironing, but do your research before trusting the hype. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more informative videos.